Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a product for later on the Oysho application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a product either by using the search bar by tapping on the search icon down below, which is the second option, or you can also tap on the third button down below to choose from the categories. And after applying filters and finding the product that you want to save for later, tap on it, and here you can find a star icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on it, select the size, your size, and as you can see, it has been added to your wish list. So if you tap on the star icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, you can see all of the items added to this saved for later section. If you want to, you can edit your list by tapping on the edit button, and you can delete the item if you want to get rid of it. So tap on delete and it will be removed from your list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.